Here's some good news. We haven't had a lot of good news. Meta sold 7 million pairs of its AI Luxottica, Ray-Ban, and Oakley glasses last year. That's a lot. And I will tell you, they have, not only did they have their own Meta glasses stores, but every place carries the
Yeah.
Luxottica brand glasses, and they all have Meta glasses on display. So you can go to your regular eye doctor today, and they'll throw prescription lenses into the Meta frames. And I got to tell you, the Meta frames are cheap. When you go into an eyeglass store, you're a glasses wearer, Ronnie, you could pay $1,000 for frames without thinking twice about it.
I actually just got new Ray-Bans, and I saw the Meta Ray-Bans there, and I'm like, I just want the regular analog ones. These are those. But I did see them there, and I asked the doc, how many do you sell? And he's, eh. So here's the interesting thing. They sold 7 million. There will be a day where there's 1 billion sold. And I asked, what's the difference? And I think today when you go in, it's just give me the UV coating, and it's that simple, and just check the box, and everyone has it. That day will come. So I think this movement towards 7 million is an indicator we'll get to 1 billion. But there's that last tiny inch, not the last mile, of, oh, this is a little bit too big. It's got a battery. It only lasts 2 hours. And one day it'll be like, just put it on your desk. It recharges magically. It runs for
Yeah.
25 straight hours. And at that point, everyone has it.
Yeah. So you think there's still a bit too much friction for most people to bother?
It's just, it's got a little bit more. And by the way, probably not everyone likes Meta. So I
Yeah.
think if there's the Apple version and the Meta version, the Google version, you're like, who is your ecosystem?
Well,
Because if you're an Apple
that's what I was
ecosystem
saying
person,
last week, right? The company that wins the wearable award for AI glasses, whether it's glasses or a pin or a pendant, whatever it turns out to be, wearable AI is the last mile for making you into a cyborg.
are you confused a bit why Apple doesn't have something sleek like the Meta Ray-Bans in the Apple stores? Because that's a huge ecosystem, and everyone that has an iPhone and a watch would probably get it. And I'm
Yes.
guessing when Apple does it, we'll get tens of millions.
Yes.
Because I think people are waiting. The Vision Pro you can't do that with, but I think people are waiting for that integrated ecosystem. And Apple should put something out like the Meta Ray-Ban, and my guess is they will, and that is probably going to unlock the market.
Yeah.
Meta's proving there's volume way bigger than Vision Pro, but I
Well,
think when Apple
let's not
comes out, they'll probably hit 30 million in the first
let's
year.
not forget Yoni Ive has a $7 billion company backed by OpenAI, and they're doing the same thing. And
They
because he
must be doing
designed,
this. They must be doing the glasses.
yeah, you don't think
What
they're
else are they
because
going to do?
we've
Like a
seen
third eye
patents.
on your forehead?
We've seen patents for both pins. We saw that with the Humane AI pin, but we've also seen patents for earbuds that do that, that have some contextual awareness.
You know what I think OpenAI is doing? The movie Her, the little earbud, and it must be the glasses. You have to display hands-free on the go. And I think Johnny knows this, and he knows how sleek and small and elegant it needs to be. By the way, did you see the firm he's part of? They did the electric Ferrari.
No, I did
Just
not.
came out in the last week. Incredibly well done. So if anything they're going to do for OpenAI actually has that same taste and style as the electric Ferrari showcase, Apple actually may be in trouble, because this may have been the smartest thing Sam Altman did. So we'll
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
But Johnny Ives does have really good taste, and maybe he was worth the 6 or 7 billion.
We'll see. And also, let's not forget about the Android XR glasses, which are coming out this year. Google and Samsung will have their say as well.
But
Uh,
maybe we're going to enter the era. Remember the first Apple Watch was like a couple million. It's
yeah,
probably hundreds of millions now. It's probably going to get to Apple Watch level, where somebody wearing an Apple Watch is, okay, that's a Dick Tracy watch from the 1950s. They're all over the place. Okay, it just happens, and suddenly they're everywhere. And I think this is going to happen. And all the people fighting for XR for the last 20 years, 2 or 3 years from now,